My name is Denise Clark. I am a visual artist and a professional painter. My goal is to create an artists union where artists are taken seriously and professionally and are no longer taken advantage of for their craft and their trade. Right now, every artist should be working for $100 an hour. That is a standard market trade price when you go to a hair salon, if you go to a mechanic, if you go to a tattoo artist. Everyone right now is working for $100 an hour for a trade. So if you are an artist, calculate your prices towards $100 an hour. The better quality paint that you're using, that is what the cost is covering. It's also covering the cost of manual labor, travel, food, and time. Any time that I am investing my creativity for somebody else is taking away from my time. And time is very, very valuable on earth. And if you love yourself, that means that you love and respect others. And within loving yourself and valuing yourself, you will understand that time is very valuable. So putting a price on time can be difficult, but you just need to not sell yourself short and believe in yourself and be confident in your prices. Now, some opportunities help you to grow as an artist, and maybe your price won't be as large, but for professionals, it needs to be the minimum $100 an hour. I have been painting personally since I was a little girl, so the pieces that I produce are going to be immaculate, and I'm not able to share the quality of my artwork if you are not willing to pay to see it produced. An hour of me dedicating my talent into producing a creative piece of artwork does not amount to that same piece if it takes me 6 hours, if it takes me 10 hours, if it takes me 2 years. You definitely have to pay to see the final product of something that you are designing or having someone design. When you hire Love Projections LLC to come into your establishment and produce artwork, you're paying for fine art, you're paying for top quality designing, you're paying for the best, because I have been painting for 30 years and that is a lot of experience and a lot of quality that you're paying for. And our prices are really reasonable because we are still working for market value. What a professional artist is someone who knows the kind of paint they should be using, and who understands and puts the time into studying and visualizing what it is that you want. A good artist can take a creation and simply put it and make it into reality and manifest it onto whatever surface area that they're working on. I've been practicing visual art all my life, so you're definitely saving time when you hire someone like me, because I can take your vision and make it real a lot faster than someone who has just started. When you're an artist, it's easy to get taken advantage of. So I just want to put the word out there. All artists, we have to become a collective. We have to charge equal share prices. you have to take a 50% deposit on anything, and that deposit is non-refundable. So that if you walk away and you keep working and you keep working and you keep working and they no longer want you, at least you have that deposit for the time and effort that you took to show up. Love Projections is a production studio. We want to open schools that teach professional art, and that does include mathematics, and that does include science, physics. It does include a lot of the general studies, but we definitely want to be more focused on entrepreneurship, business, and starting these children young at understanding that mind, body, and spirit, a balanced and healthy mind, body, and spirit produces the best work, because we are tapping into source and light and universe and faith in order to accomplish these creations. We definitely want our artists to be at the top and best of their abilities in order to achieve the most productive visions. We definitely are aiming to teach the youth and start them young, so that by the time they are adults, they can manage and operate their own artistic businesses. They will always have Love Projections as a kind of general understanding of the kind of professionalism that someone would be receiving by hiring that artist. Once again, my name is Denise Clark, and I am a co-founder of loveprojections.com, Love Projections LLC, and I am a professional painter looking and waiting to serve the universe with my tools and my gifts, and I'm really looking forward to sharing them with you. My goal is to reach all of the artists in the world and unite us so that we are not being taken advantage of, and so that we can collectively earn business and be treated with respect and be treated fairly. An artist is just as important to the society as any other trade. Art is the logo. That logo is going to attract and draw in your clientele. Our ancestors used to paint buffalo on the walls of caves in order to manifest and attract the buffalo herds. And so there really is this kind of spiritual faith and power with having fine art incorporated into your business and into society. We definitely connect and interconnect the divine with the production and creations that any business is establishing. So with Love Projections, you are definitely receiving a lot of wisdom and spiritual faith and professional productivity when you're hiring our artists.